here, everywhere, Lord.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.MaRee. So today we're gonna do a shop my stash for the month of March. I've already recorded this, and like I told you guys once before, every video that I'm having to redo, I will be letting you guys know which videos are redone. So for the month of March, I am gonna redo my shop my stash, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts on the items that I have in my shop my stash. And yeah, before we go any further, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss another upload from me, and share if you care. Now let's go. So I'm gonna start off with the palettes that we're gonna be working with for all of November. Really? November. We're gonna be talking about the palettes that we're gonna use all of March. So I am wanting to continue to test out my Morphe Hi-Fi 8H highlight and contour palette. I just got this in my Morphe order when I did the full face of new Morphe products, and I have been loving this palette, so I want to test it out and get some more love out of it. I do want to dip into my matte and metals from Kat Von D. You guys, once I purchased this, I never used it again. Like, I used it one time and that was it. And I want to get some more love out of it because I love me some Kat Von D. And the other Kat Von D palette is my Pastel Goth palette. And of course, like it says, pastel. Pastel colors, which once again I think I could use it with the matte and metals as well. The other palette is gonna be the A.MaRee Cosmetics. It's a palette that I got out of my BoxyCharm. You guys, this palette is so freaking beautiful. It says it's a volume 1. It is a very beautiful palette, and I knew I was gonna love it once I first got it in the box because of the colors, but I never used it. So I need to see if I actually really do like this palette. And then the last palette is going to be She Bad Cosmetics in the She Naked palette. You guys know I have a coupon code down below with them. Make sure you check out her website. Beautiful eyeshadow colors. I needed to pull this out because they have more shimmers than mattes. And I needed to test out some more of the shimmers and see if I, you know, love every single color or just some colors. There are some colors that I've already worked with in this palette, but I have to continue to work with it and show it some more love. Now the brushes I did want to focus on, I am going to be using a lot of brushes, but I just got this brush collection in the mail, and this wasn't in the first video, but I said it is the Andrea Renee times Peach and Pearl. Yes, Andrea Renee times Peach and Pearl brush set. Now she did come out with her own collection with this company, and she always uses them in her videos. So I was like, you know what? I want to get some use out of them and see if I like them, and see if I rave about them like she raves about her own brushes, which everybody should rave about their own products, but I mean, I want to be able to love them too. So let's move on into my top portion. You guys know how this goes. I'm going to talk about everything that I have on top and work my way through. I'm going to pull out my my Project Pan products. So foundation wise, you guys know that I'm still working with the L'Oreal True Matte Foundation in Cocoa. I'm almost done, but I stopped reaching for it. Like, I'm almost done with it, but I just stopped reaching for it, and I don't know why. But I'm trying to finish it up. As well as the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in Cocoa. I was almost about to say cappuccino. But I'm almost done with this one as well, and I stopped reaching for it. I don't know why. Maybe I just don't want to finish them up, but I need to finish them up. I have to. The other foundations, I am still going to work with my Morphe Fluidity foundation in F4.30. It's the matte foundation. You guys know this is a little too light for my skin tone, but I do still want to play with it because I'm able to balance it out. The other foundation I am trying to see if I still even love is the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect Makeup in Cappuccino. You guys, I've had this for some time now. I don't even know if it's still any good, honestly. But I'm not even for sure if it's any more good, but I want to test it out and see if it's still good and if I still like it, because I do remember when I first purchased this was all I was using at one point, but then I started getting more foundations and stopped using it. Like, I am gonna dip off into my Maybelline Super Stay. Yes, my Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and this one is in Coconut. No reason to explain it. I love Maybelline. Love their many different lines of foundation, so I'm going to be using that. As well as my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. This one is in Deep 74. I remember having Deep 72 and it was too orange. So when she came out with Deep 74, I picked that up. And this one may be a little too neutral, but I don't really remember, so I needed to test it out some more, go back to it, see how I'm feeling about it. But I do love the full ass coverage of Kat Von D, so I decided I'm gonna pull this bad boy back out. And the last foundation I'm gonna pull out, I know it seems like a lot of foundations, but you guys, I need to test out each foundation every single month. I mean every single day for the whole month, just to see if I still love it or not. So speaking of, it will be the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Mocha Foundation in the shade Mocha. I need to see if I still love this. I do have another shade, but I can't remember which one was too light and too dark. So with it being Mocha, I thought maybe it would be more closer to my skin tone than the other shade, which I can't remember what shade it is. But I remember using this at first, and then I stopped using it. I don't even know if I like it or not, because I used it and then stopped, like, instantly. So we're gonna rotate that in for March. I do have some lip balms that I'm gonna be working with. These are just Walgreens lip glosses, and the lip balm is gonna be Your Good Skin Smoothing Lip Balm. Supposedly it's good. I've been using it, don't know, I don't see no difference, really. I have a whole host of lipsticks. I have, y'all know I carry more liquid lipsticks than anything, but I have NYX, AOA Studio, ColourPop lip paint. I also have Fenty lip gloss. I have my LA Girl matte but not flat, House of Colors, Wet n Wild, Tarte, and Lip Crush. I will have all the names and shades linked down below in the hot box. Make sure you check that out. That's where most of all the information is going to be. Of course, we're going to be working with some primers, and we do have our Project Pan primers, the Maybelline Baby Skin, and the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. We're still working on these and we're almost done. I also pulled out my Morphe primer, and it's in the Equalizer. I think I'm really liking this, so I'm gonna, you know, continue to use it for the month and, you know, give you guys the final judgment on it. But I think I'm really liking it. I am pulling out my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer for my eyebrows. Nothing new here with that. I do have two mascaras. I am going to be using the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. And I will be using the Lancome's Base Mascara. It is just a white mascara that I've been actually using for my lower lash line. Then going on top with the Butter London mascara. And I've actually been seeing a difference in my bottom lashes. So my lashes I will be using my Watch Me Sparkle Lash Collection in the Stunning Collection. I've used A and B. I just need to use C. I use A, I use B, I need to use C. I have a coupon code with her as well if you guys would like to check out her lashes as well as her accessories. Well, not accessories, beauty accessories. She bedazzles every freaking thing. She has drawers and all. The makeup drawers, bedazzled and everything. You guys need to check her out and use my coupon code down below. I do have the Wine Demi Wispy lashes that I just can't get with. I tried it, but it didn't work out. So I'm kind of on the fence about it. I may try it again, I may not. As well as my Jazzy Girl Cosmetics. My Jazzy Girl Cosmetics Jazzy Eyes and Jasmine Cherie. This is the only lashes that I've received from them that I haven't used. So I really want to try these out. And I do have a coupon code with Jazzy Girl Cosmetics as well. You guys could check them out. Get you some lashes, get you some palettes, get you some brushes and pigments and glitters and everything. You hear me? Get you a little bit of everything. Okay, moving on into the next drawer. I did pull out some lip liners, but I don't know why I'm pulling out the lip liners and lipsticks. But I'm going to be using different lip liners like from Wet n Wild and LA Colors. I do have some blushes that I will be trying out. And you guys, I think I'm loving these blushes. I have my Ulta cheek color, and this one is in Sunkissed, which she looks like this. You guys, she is gorgeous. If my camera were focused, she's not giving that much justice on camera, but you guys, she is gorgeous. As well as my Clean Color Miss Chic blush, and this one is in Sunbaked. She looks like this. My bad. And the coloring is like this, which is so cute. I put on my Kat Von D Super Brow in the shade Walnuts. The newest liquid liners I'm pulling in this month will be the CoverGirl's liquid liner, which I've used this in a video and I actually like it. That is the newest liner. All the rest of them are the same, the NYX and the Wet n Wild liquid liners. So no need for that. So I already showed you the lip liners and eyeliners. This is more. I do have City Colors, Jordana, NYX, Lancome, Black Up, NYX, Ebion. I do have all of them to be working with this month, and that's lip liners and eyeliners. My concealers that I'm working with, and I'm only working with 4 concealers this month, which is going to be my Morphe C3.35 concealer, my L'Oreal Full Wear concealer in Almond, my Fenty concealer in 370, and my LA Colors concealer in Deep. Now the last things I'm going to be talking about is all of the pressed powders, loosed and pressed. The loose powders I will be using this month is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I do have one in translucent, and the other one I have is in banana. These are the only 2 setting powders I will be using this month. And then all of the pressed powder slash highlights and stuff that I have in this next one will be the Maybelline Superstay in Coconut, the Maybelline Superstay in Truffle. Of course, I'm not going to be done with my Ruby Kisses matte finish in Chestnut until it's all gone, because you guys know I love this stuff. I love it. My panning is getting bigger and bigger. I need to go find another one. I will be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, the metallic highlighter in Molten Gold. And the other only bronzer I will be using is my Queen Color in Ebony. Oops. Which the panning is getting bigger and bigger. And if you guys can find these, please get them, send them to me. I will PayPal you your money. I will Cash App you your money back. But I heard that they're being discontinued, and I absolutely love this stuff. It is my ride or die, and I don't want to go without any backup. So if you guys want to be the best diamonds there are out there, and you see them and you want to get them for me, my address is always down below. Oh, you will be the best if you could find these and send them to me. And if you need your money back, I will be more than happy to give you your money back. I just need a shit ton of these in my collection. I use these on myself and for my clients. And I don't want them to be discontinued and I can't find them no more. That is everything that is going to be in my March Shop My Stash. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this month. Let me know what kind of looks and stuff you're going to want to see, or any products that you need an in-depth video on, and I will give that to you guys. Next month, for April, I think I may take you guys through my drawers, but as you know, I'm doing my declutters at the same time, so I don't know for a fact, but I may do that next month. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell and share with your friends if you care, and I'll see you diamonds in the next one.